problem child. Get it. We're here to do it for the children. We're doing it for the. But if you're underage, y'all gotta excuse my language right quick. But in my city, the bitches like to give me hugs. Gotta see my ice, my shit brighter than a light bulb. A pocket full of hundreds, darker you imagine. That's what people call them big stacks, but I call them big racks. She said she got a man, I know that she don't really want me, but I know one thing, I bet she wanna put that pussy on me. I know some thug ass niggas be in the club, poke your ass with a knife and keep on moving, cuz once a man I put a 22 up out my shoe, my brother got 1, 2 in his black Tim boots. I got real killers, nigga, in my squad. I'm 6'4", so why the fuck I need a bodyguard? You heard that we come in wolf packs, your pressure get low, you need fix a flag. Hey dog, ain't no need for you to lack. I can front it to you, just bring my money back. Don't wanna look for you with my midget Russian rifle. They think I'm going wild, I think I went psycho. I think it's time for me to come get 'em. I'm here to let these motherfuckers know that I ain't playing with 'em. God, but not gone, that's what my shit call is. Baby jock, I'm the boss, bitch, I still stand tall. And I forgotten, but not gone, that's what my shit called is. Baby jock, I'm the boss, bitch, I still stand tall. And I say, you a funny motherfucker, think you Chris Tucker. Open your ass up like a fish, nigga, straight gut you. In the city where I'm from, bitch, you ain't learned. Get your head shot, I'll fuck around and make the wrong turn. I ain't nobody help me, I've been doing this shit all on my own. Some people think I'm anti-social, tell me if you think I'm wrong. You crackers playing with your life like Pro Tools. You getting banned cause you don't know how to stick and move. What his name got your brain frying like tater tots. You under his command, you his robot. Fuck nigga, look real gay, whatever you do is cause he say, he be like, okay. 6 cups of that gin, bitch, I'm gone blind. I'm hung over like a sheet on a clothesline. If you want me, boy, I can come get you. I got something to make your body feel like lightning hit you. You heard that we come in wolf packs, your pressure get low, you need fix a flag. Hey dog, ain't no need for you to lack. I can front it to you, just bring my money back. Don't wanna look for you with my midget Russian rifle. They think I'm going wild, I think I went psycho. I think it's time for me to come get 'em. I'm here to let these motherfuckers know that I ain't playing with 'em.
I'm on a money mission, Pyrex in the kitchen, eyes on the stove, let chop get the whipping. Made a thumb vision, no slipping in it, bitch get the business. Gonna ride the batteries, but now I'm fuck them 26s. Get this money, suck it up, cause bitch we ain't never had shit. When I see that moolah, it remind me of a bad bitch. I wanna eat her, a fucker, no flipper, you can't have this. I'm finna trick this, so get some more, see what I can stab this. Riding through the projects with no sense, bitch, my roof missing. Blowing on that ooh, we got the LA, better move. Pimpin' money coming through, bitch, I know you smell the fumes. Hear the tunes, I ain't changed, bitch, I'm still that dude. Come through Hopper Holler with a bottle, looking all Dougie-ish. Problem where you been at, man, I've been on some other shit. Life looking marvelous, save this for my kids' colleges. No, I just found my grind, I was blind, I said a lot of shit.